Now, what I did just then is what I call a quick shape. Okay, a quick shape is when you draw any line, any circle, any triangle, any square, then and you hold on it for a few seconds, just a few seconds, not that long, and that will automatically reshape it. What I want to do, rectangle. Okay. The top here is your top here, right here, where the arrow. That's your free transform. When you want to transform anything, you go there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth menu on the left hand side. Okay, so now there's an automatic fill as well. So right there, right? You can refill it. Boom, it's all red. So what you drag on from the color, you just drag it on. Okay, that's the automatic fill. So let me do that again, undo, tap, so there, drag it on, boom, that's your automatic fill. What I want to do now is draw a triangle, okay? New layer. I just want a normal brush. Calligraphy, one line, okay? Then zoom in a little bit, and I want to try and draw a white. That's a triangle. Resize it down a little bit, otherwise it's too big. Let's undo that. Uniform. So this is a unique YouTube buttons. Okay. Okay, that's look good to me for now. Okay. What I just did together is I pinched the two layers together. So you use your two fingers, pinch it, and that will merge the two layers together. Okay, and then I